Are you frustrated because your Pyplot plot keeps freezing? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue and get your plots running smoothly. I totally get it. It can be incredibly annoying when you're trying to visualize data and your plot just won't cooperate. Many users face this issue, especially when working with Matplotlib. Let's dive into the specific question from our viewer, James. He mentioned that his figure freezes when he tries to create a plot using Pyplot. He wants to solve this without using multi-threading, as he doesn't mind a brief pause in his code execution. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? When you call plt.show, it blocks the execution of the script until the figure is closed. This can lead to the freezing issue James is experiencing. Understanding this is key to finding a solution. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear solution to prevent your plots from freezing, and I promise it will be worth your time. To address the freezing issue with Pyplot, the user should first ensure that the interactive mode is properly set up. This can be done by calling the function plt.ion before creating the figure. Next, the user should create the figure and the subplot. It's important to ensure that the figure is displayed correctly by calling plt.show after setting up the plot. After setting up the subplot, the user can add titles and labels. This step is crucial for clarity in the plot. Finally, the user should call plt.show to display the plot. This command should be the last step to ensure that the plot is rendered correctly. If the plot still freezes, the user can try adding a small delay using time.sleep after plt.show to allow the plot to render before the script continues. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Matplotlib was released in 2003? It has come a long way since then, making data visualization easier for everyone. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests modifying your code slightly. They recommend using plt.draw to draw the plot and plt.pause to display it for a few seconds before continuing with the rest of your code. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by another user is to use the plt.clf function. This command helps to clear the figure after the plot is completed, preventing the freeze issue. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by another user is to set the backend for Matplotlib to tkag. This can help resolve the freezing issue when creating plots. Here's a pro tip. Always remember to use plt.pause when working with interactive plots. It can save you from a lot of frustration in the future. And there you have it. Your Pyplot plots should now run smoothly without freezing. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on data visualization.